Yep.
Goes up from 0 to where you want, which is 15 pounds per square inch, to the wowie zowie run for your life zone.
Okay.
This is a pressure release valve.
So if it gets up to that high, we want to...
Yeah, what'll happen is this thing will blow over like this and it'll open. This is the open position. Always leave it open.
Okay. Always.
That's a blow-out plug.
Okay.
That you will never need.
Oh.
That's an automatic.
Okay.
This is the autoclave. This is the blowout. This is the pressure release.
Okay. Okay.
Goes over here.
Alright.
Here's your pan, a little worn but still good.
Yeah.
You put water in the bottom
Okay.
to just below the grid.
Oh, just below the grid.
Just below the grid. Now, anything you want to autoclave, we have to get an autoclavable container, which are not in here. They're over here. And you want metal.
Okay. So if I've got those, if I've got racks like those, like
That fits. We
would
get,
that work? If I, because we have those.
yeah, any kind of metal is good.
Okay.
You don't want to use plastic because it'll melt, most likely.
Right. Okay.
Unless you get plastics that are autoclavable,
Okay.
which we may have, I don't know.
That's all right. I don't need to borrow.
These may be autoclave safe.
Yeah.
You could try one. End up with a pile of mush when you're done.
Yeah. I'll just use. We got some metal baskets. I'll use those.
What are you planning on autoclaving?
We got different strains of bacteria. That we're gonna
Test tubes?
Yeah.
Okay. Couple ways you can do test tubes.
And slides.
Well, we'll talk
We
about
might have
that.
some slides that we'll have to do too.
Okay, we'll talk about how you can do test tubes. This little slot
Yeah.
is for the pressure release.
Yep.
Okay, now, on every autoclave there's a mark, someplace there,
Yep.
that lines up with the mark,
I saw an arrow.
arrow
Yep.
here.
Okay.
So, after you put the water in, you put this into the slot, you turn it slightly to the side, and you sort of roughly center it and turn it so that the marks line up, okay, like so.
All right.
Alright, now, what you want to do is, put one of these on, and then on the opposite side, put another one on, not super tight yet,
Okay.
and then one here,
Okay.
and then one over here.
Okay.
Again, not super tight.
Yep.
You know, you're doing incremental tightening.
Right.
One here. You try to get that top to seat
Yeah.
evenly, and then you oppositely snug them down. Snug, snug, until it's
Till it's
well, it's
okay.
even.
Okay.
Okay, then we put it onto the stove.
Okay. Now
Going
what
to
if we don't
the-
have a stove?